Hey guys, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery here on my computer, just answering some messages and emails and all that jazz. And I just read a comment from somebody who's struggling here who had mentioned that they have been going at this as a salesperson for almost 3 months and have only gotten two contingencies. So for those of us who are making in this business, know how this goes, you should be getting like two a week at a bare minimum, right? Or like two a day. You should be able to go out and do 3 or 4 inspections, leave with two contingencies. So 2 in 3 months is really disheartening. And they had gone on to say, I need help, but I'm too broke to buy any of your material yet. My confidence is crashing. It feels like the walls are closing in. I'm trying to brush up on your YouTube videos again to see if that'll help me get back on my game. I feel like there's something wrong with me. I know logically things will get better, but with bills piling up, I feel like I'm drowning. Here's the thing, you guys. If you see that other people are making it happen in this business and you've been trying for this long and it's not working, something is very wrong, right? It's not like, I'm not picking on this person, and I know that the person's going to watch this video, and I hope that they do, because I want you to understand something. If you're in a similar position, logically, things will not get better if you continue to do what you're doing and you don't invest in yourself. What's the definition of insanity? It's doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. If things have been going in this way and you're not seeking help, you're not betting on yourself and investing in yourself to get yourself the training that you need or whatever it is that you need, things are not going to go different. Logically, they're going to continue to be the same or get worse as you continue to feel more and more frustrated. There's no reason to be struggling at roof sales. I want you guys to all know that. If you are struggling right now, there is no reason that you have to be struggling. You're struggling by your own series of choices, which might look like you're not investing in yourself, you're not buying training that you need, you're not seeking training that you need, you're not doing things differently, okay? You can't go out just beating your head against the wall and hoping that if you just work hard enough and if you just outwork everybody with the wrong strategies or without the right training for door knocking or objection handling or closing, that suddenly you're going to somehow get results. I've used this example before in the past on a different video where let's say that you and I are in a race, okay? And the race is 5 miles long, and at the end of 5 miles, there's a duffel bag with $1 million sitting in it. It's just whoever gets there first gets it. You might be outworking and outrunning me. You might be running faster than me and harder than me. But if you're going the wrong direction, it doesn't matter. I'm going to win, even if I'm walking backwards at a snail's pace. A lot of you are out there running as fast as you can, sprinting, busting your ass, but you don't have the right training. Let's go back to the cake recipe I always use. It doesn't matter how many times I try to make a cake. If I'm not buying a recipe, I'm just not going to get it right. I might come close, but guess what? Coming close to getting deals signed doesn't put money in your pocket. If you're somebody who's struggling and you're saying, but I can't afford to buy training for myself, the truth is you can't afford not to. What are you going to do? Guys, and for those of you who are salesmen, I want you to know that my ebook is only $37. And on top of that, if you want to get real training, my Roof Sales Accelerator, which is like my Roof Sales 101 survival kit, you can enroll in that for as low as $99 a month. If $99 a month can get you one deal a month, which is still very, very sad results, one deal a month is not enough. But if that's what you'd get, that'd put $1,000 in your pocket. You're looking at this all wrong. Don't say, I can't afford $99 right now. You can't afford not to spend $99 to start getting deals that'll put $1,000 a piece in your pocket. You have to believe in yourself. You have to invest in yourself. And that means sometimes taking a risk that says, I don't feel like I have the money to do this right now, but it's the only way that I even have a shot of improving my financial situation is by investing in myself and getting the training or the education that I need. So please, I'm telling you this right now, roof sales is not rocket science. It's not that hard, but it is absolutely challenging, confusing, and frustrating if you do not have the recipe. And the recipe is simply learning how to door knock, what to say, how to handle objections, exactly word for word, and then a word for word sales presentation that makes it a no-brainer for people to sign with you. That stuff is easy to learn. If you can memorize a song and sing it on the radio, you can memorize my sales presentation and my door pitches and say it at the door. Please invest in yourself. I want you to succeed. I want you to be one of those people who says, I was living in my truck and now make 6 figures a year selling roofs because of your training. Take a risk on yourself, because it's not a risk. What's silly is going out there, killing yourself, putting yourself in a position where you're just going to have to go take a 9-to-5 job somewhere doing something dead end that you hate because you won't spend $99 a month on yourself to get training. Guys, wake up. If this is you, if you're struggling, please, I am here to help you, but you have to pull the trigger for yourself. You have to believe in yourself. So go to roofsalesmastery.com, click on training for new salesmen. I promise it works. If you are somebody who needs help, help yourself. As always, subscribe to my YouTube channel here for the free tidbits and stuff like that, but I really encourage you to enroll yourself in some formal trainings. I promise it'll be the catalyst to your success in roof sales. So catch you guys later. Thanks for following. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.